Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Making a milling cutter. Yep, so not a milling cutter, excuse me, a lathe cutter. Using the milling machine to make a lathe tool, okay? I can't afford to buy, lathe tooling. Okay, because, $15, $20 a pop. Yeah. And yeah, you can get those little mini ones, and I've been using those, but I want some big boy tools, and I got bearings in my lathe now where I can handle it. So let's try making some. I need a left and a right, so let's make our own, okay? I need a left cutter and a right cutter. Left hand, right hand. So this is what I'm doing with my little milling machine today. Pardon the noise. It is very stormy today. I mean epic. And we're supposed to get about 3 to 5 inches of rain overnight. And we're supposed to get some epic wind. So anywho, I'm just out in my shop today. And let me see. Hands right here. Let's see if we can show you guys what we're doing. Okay, we got a little 1/4 inch cutter in here. I'll show you. Hopefully you guys don't shake around yet. That would suck. Don't want that. Anywho. I'm sorry, guys. What it is. I'm going to make a tool. I'm determined. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad, guys. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so next thing we need to do now, got a little bit of residual material where I got in a hurry. Let's clean that off. Good. Alright, let's pull it out of there. Let's pull it back here. Let's move the table out first. Yeah. Not bad. I mean, excuse the rust on the part, but you know, I'm not using that for anything but clamping into the tool post holder, but that's gonna work. Yep. All right, that's gonna work good. You betcha. All right, because I already made one. See? Ooh. Sorry guys. Yeah, I already made this one. Okay? Show you. The next one, yeah, I need a right and a left, so I'm making the other side now. Alright. I'll bring you right back, guys.